I just wanted to, I'll be very brief. I wanted to wish everyone happy Moolid al-Nabi. I would like to thank CMF for making it annual event to celebrate Moolid al-Nabi and invite us to celebrate. And it's a very important for the community and for the kids. And I remember myself as from Egyptian background when we were kids, during Moolid al-Nabi, the halwa, all the celebrations, it gets stamped in the heads of the kids. So thank you very much, Shahid and Nargis and the team, to make sure that our kids carry our traditions, carry our faith, carry our message, and continue, hopefully, for many generations to come. On my behalf, on behalf of Premier Duckford, on behalf of the government of Ontario, I wish you all happy Moolid Nabi. Make sure that you take the time to make the kids feel that today is a different day, is a special day, because that will live with them when they grow up. Thank you very much.